Hi, in this video we will be going over the MCAM member account system. The purpose of this video is to provide a user-friendly overview of the capabilities available. MCAM offers its membership the ability to use the MCAM website to further promote their members' online company profile. This includes the ability to manage company information, company logo, classified ads, hosted events, and online payment methods if applicable to the member. Let's have a look. To access your member account, click Sign In at the top of the website. If you do not know your login credentials, please contact an MCAM representative for assistance. If you forgot your login credentials, you can use the Forgot My Password link underneath the login form. After filling in your credentials in the login form, click Login. Upon logging in, you can navigate the system on the right side of the page. Let's start with classified ads. Here we have a list on the left side. Currently does not have anything included, but we can add a brand new classified ad by clicking Submit Classified Ad. From here, we fill out the form. Provide your title, closing date, full detail message, and attachment. A character count is provided here so that you don't go over the character limit. Click Save. Upon submitting your classified ad, it will go into a pending status. MCAM will then review and decide to either approve or decline the ad. If it is approved, it will go into the website. This will appear under Classifieds in the main navigation. Let's continue to hosted events. Again, we have a listing on this side here with nothing currently included for our account. We can submit an event. Provide a title, start and end date of your event, the details of your event. If you have an event page on your website, provide it here. An example is listed here. Provide an attachment and click Save. Once again, the event will be provided to MCAM as a pending event to be reviewed. If it is approved, it will be included under Events, Events hosted by members. Next, we have My Account. Here you can manage your own account to access the MCAM member system. First and last name, phone number, extension if required, and your email address. You can change your password here. Provide the current password, new password, and confirm password. All passwords must contain at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one numerical digit, and one special character. Next on the right, we have My Organization. Here we can fill in the information about our company. Company name, business number, address, city, province, postal code, phone number, fax if applicable, toll-free number if applicable, email address, website, and description. For contractor members only, provide your Workers' Compensation Board clearance certificate, proof of liability insurance. This information is not public. It will be only included for MCAM. Here we have social media that can be provided. Options are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. In addition, you can provide contacts for your company here. For example, CEO or the billing department. And lastly, at the bottom, we have a billing email address, which again is only applicable for members that require this. If you are a union member, this will not be applicable to you. Next, we have the organization logo. Here we have an MCAM logo as a placeholder. You can add your logo, update your logo, or remove your logo if you don't want it on the website anymore. The information included under My Organization and Organization Logo will appear under Membership, Our Members. Next, we have Manage User Accounts. Here we can manage the accounts that will have access to manage the member account. Any account within this list can manage the organization, the logo, the classified ads, the hosted events, and if applicable, the payment methods. Now, as mentioned, if you are a union member, the next bit will not apply to you. We have managed payment methods. Here you will be able to add a credit card to your account. Once we click add a payment method, we have to wait for the form to appear. Here we can apply our credit card number, expiry number, security code, and the cardholder's name. The benefits here is that at the time of membership renewal, your credit card will be charged automatically. A receipt will be sent to the billing email address that was provided in the previous page. Any invoice that is generated through this system will be included on the invoices page. If you have a payment method included, it will already be marked as paid. If you do not provide a payment method, you'll be emailed an invoice that is outstanding, and it will again also be listed here. You will need to send payment to MCAM. Otherwise, you can sign out when completed. This has been a short tutorial on how to use the MCAM member system.